are we doing today? It's me, your girl Carissa, back with another hair video. If you were wondering, music is going to be coming your way on this channel. I made another channel for music specifically, but I think that introducing you to this channel will do some justice. So spiritual videos coming your way, more hair tutorials, more fashion coming your way, all things girly, weirdo, and artistic coming your way. We are gonna get into this wig review. So this is a human hair blend wig, and it's from Mega Wig. It's hand tied. It has a wide lace, just lace in like this section, the crown area. This is the box. I did wear this wig before, okay? I haven't worn it in a little while. So I have had this wig for a little while, but she's in very good condition, and I promise you it's gonna look right at the end of the video. This is basically what it came with. It was closed in plastic, and then it had her little nut on. This out, and I did braid the hair. It is very long. That's what I like about her. And the fact that it's blonde, because I'm never gonna dye my real hair blonde. I'm sorry. I don't know how y'all are gonna feel about that. And I do have to comb through her, so please bear with me. But she does look very natural, okay? Very natural. So this is her in all her glory. Very full. She got a little fringe. Okay. Here is the most important part, right? Now the lace is already cut. Let me tell you, I was a little bit shook. I was a little bit heartbroken because I thought there was gonna be a lot more lace. But here's what we're working with. You got two combs in there, you got your wedges in the back, comb back here, and there is your lace in the front. I think you get maybe like 2 inches when you cut it off, probably like 3-4 inches altogether, but once you cut it, honey, you get a good 1-2 inches. It's got the tag in the back. It's got nice stitching all around. There goes your lace. Got some roots on her, so it can kind of blend in a little bit better, because I have this other platinum wig and I don't know what to do with it, honey. I don't know what to do with it because I still haven't figured out my installing ways. You will see what I'm talking about when I put it on, how it still looks natural. But yeah, that's the part. Now I was going to show you my full installation on how I put wigs on, but you guys are not going to see me in a bald cap. I'm sorry, it's not going to happen. But I will show you how I get all this hair flat underneath without any cornrows. If you are using the method that I'm using, you are going to need some bobby pins on you. You are going to need some gel. You are going to need a brush, a flat brush to flatten your hair. Okay, so I do have my mirror this way, so bear with me. You're just going to section our hair. Okay, but like the way we're going to section it is, so the only part out is like right here, like the middle of your ear to the rest of it is going to be up. Okay. When you get here, you want to make sure you have gel. But you want to section it into 3. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. I'm gonna work with this side first. Okay, just do that. But what we're gonna do with these is we're just gonna braid them with a little bit of gel. You know it, you already guessed it. The Eco Gel with argan oil. Alright, then the rest of this hair, you know. Separate that. Twist this time. but we're making 3 of them, so. And I bet you wondering how this gonna turn out. Don't worry, it will be good. Alright, so now we got 3 big twists, 3 little braids, and I'm gonna pull these up real quick. We're going to, I don't know how to explain this, okay? But like, just make a little circle with your braids, flat little circles. This is where our pins come into play. But there's circle number 1. Alright, I didn't do that one good. Okay, now we got 3 little flat things. Cool. Take these down and then literally swirl them around the little circles. I'm rushing for you guys because I'm supposed to be somewhere. But yeah, you just want to twist. You want to swirl the twist around your braids that you just swirled. So now you're looking like this. You feel me? But don't worry, like as soon as you put the stocking cap on, like it flattens. Put the wig on, it flattens even more. Just, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. So I'm not finished yet. Clearly. This is all part of the melting process, but I just wanted to show you my head and how it's not bulky. And do you see this leg? So it's been about like 5 hours since I put this on, and she's 30. While we're here, okay, so for my review of this wig, 4 out of 5 stars for the price, just because there wasn't too much lace. It wasn't as much lace as I wanted, but there was lace. I gotta get too close. I think that the length is a little bit too much for me. I'm gonna cut it like right there, probably. Anyways, tell me how you think I did. Tell me if I did horrible. Tell me if I did tragic. Tell me if I did alright, because I don't be doing my hair like that. I be telling you. Anyways, subscribe if you like. More coming your way. So much more coming your way. I can't even get into it. But yes, if you enjoy it, please hit that bell, like, subscribe, share, and be back, you know, stay tuned. Enjoy while you're here. Don't miss out on the fun, and live your best life. Bye.